Hello, wonderful explorers, and welcome back to our story corner. Today, we read Journeying into a Beautiful Forest to meet three special friends and learn a very important lesson together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Deep in a sun-dappled forest lived a cheerful but very hasty wombat named Willow. Every single day, Willow was faced with choices, big and small. Should she nap under the shady fern or the tall gum tree? Should she nibble on the sweet berries or the crunchy roots? But Willow had a little problem. She never ever stopped to think before she acted. Whatever seemed quickest or most exciting in the moment was the path she took, without a second thought for what might happen next. One bright and sunny morning, Willow was on her way to visit her favorite berry patch. She came to a fork in the road. One path was clean, clear, and familiar, winding safely through the trees. The other was a shortcut, but it was covered in thick, gooey mud. Ooh, a shortcut! Willow chirped to herself, her eyes gleaming with excitement. Without even a moment's hesitation, she dashed straight for the muddy path. This will be so much faster, she thought, picturing all the delicious berries she would get to eat sooner. She didn't stop to wonder why the path was so muddy or if it was safe. Splash, squish, splat. At first it was fun, kicking up mud as she hurried along, but soon the mud got deeper and stickier. Suddenly, Willow's feet wouldn't move. She was stuck. She tried to pull her left foot out, but it only sank deeper. She tried to wiggle her right foot, but it was trapped tight. The more she struggled, the more stuck she became, sinking into the thick, brown goo. Panic started to bubble in her chest. Her quick, impulsive choice had turned into a very big, very muddy problem. She was all alone and couldn't move forward or backward. Just then, a calm, gentle voice called out from a nearby rock. "Willow, it seems you've found yourself in a sticky situation." Willow looked up and saw Iris the Ibis perched elegantly, her wise eyes looking down with kindness. Iris had seen the whole thing unfold. "Tell me, little one," she called gently, "did you think about what might happen before you chose the muddy path?" Willow looked down at her muddy predicament, her ears drooping. She hadn't thought at all. She had just rushed in. A moment later, a slow, ambling sound came from the riverside. It was Carlos, the capybara, the most thoughtful and patient animal in the entire forest. He waddled over, his calm presence immediately making Willow feel a little less scared. "Hello, Willow," Carlos said in his deep, soothing voice. "When I have a choice to make, I always take a moment to ask myself three little questions. First, is it safe? Second, is it smart? And third, what might happen because of this choice?" He looked at the safe path, then at the mud pit Willow was in. Thinking first helps us stay out of trouble. Seeing how sorry and scared Willow was, Iris and Carlos knew they had to help. Iris found a strong, long vine, and Carlos used his strength to get a good grip on the ground. Working together as a team, they carefully wrapped the vine around Willow and began to pull. With a great big squelch, Willow popped free from the mud. She stumbled onto solid ground, covered from nose to tail in mud, but incredibly grateful. Thank you both so much," she cried. "Next time," Iris said with a kind smile, "remember to just take a little breath, pause, and think before you choose your path." From that day forward, Willow the Wombat was a changed animal. Whenever she came to a crossroads, whether it was choosing a path, a snack, or a game to play, she would always stop. She would put a little paw to her chin, just like a great thinker, and ask herself Carlos's questions. Is it safe? Is it smart? What might happen? She learned that making good, happy choices didn't come from rushing, but from taking the time to think things through first. And her friends, Iris and Carlos, would often watch proudly from a distance, seeing their friend make smart, safe, and happy decisions. And that, my dear friends, is the story of Willow's big lesson. It's a great reminder for all of us to pause and think before we act. A little thought can make a big difference. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you loved our story, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, keep making thoughtful choices. Bye for now.